Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of the game Kingshot for iPhone and Android, unlimited resources. So let's get into the tutorial and I will show you guys how to get it. So go over to your browser, go to hexmods.com. This is a website that has a ton of modded apps, and we're just going to type in Kingshot. And as you can see, we have a bunch of games, but obviously we want Kingshot. So press on it, press the download button, and bang guys, the mod has begun to download. So let's just wait for it to download here. As you can see, so yeah, it's super insane guys, and it fully works in 2025. So anyway guys, before it downloads, you will see something that says missing files. Additional files are required for Kingshot. And then basically what we have to do is download some of these apps and follow the instructions. So they're 100% free and they're from the official store. I would just do this one right here, Travel Town, because you just have to reach level 10, so that's pretty easy. And it will bring you to the Play Store. You just press continue. But I'm on an Android, so if you're using an iPhone, it's going to bring you to the App Store, but it's the same process. And then there's some other ones. We got WGT Golf. You got to reach level 2. That's pretty easy. We've got PDF reader, down install, run the app for 20 minutes, whatever guys, but there is a video to watch if you're confused. But just download 2 of the apps and then you can install the Kingshot modded version onto your device guys. Super insane. So yeah, it fully works guys. All users can enjoy a fun Kingshot hack. So yeah, it's pretty wild. So I'm going to see you in another one, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. Super cool guys, and it's fully updated and everything. So if you're poor, then be sure to try this out for yourself because it is fully working guys for all users of Kingshot. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in another video, and peace out bro.